My name is Kathy Howard, and I'm going to do food taboo. My mom knows people who've been on the diet most of their adult lives. When we go out to a restaurant or she invites them over, they have a whole set of food taboos. Usually a whole set different from the taboos they had the last time we got together. And I have relatives who rub away at their stomach every time they come to my mama's table and eat, as if they're gonna lose an inch or two. They know my mama can cook real good. And I have friends as thin as they can be, even though they eat greasy fast food. My mama told me to stay away from, but I just couldn't. So I sure wish I didn't have to eat them. As far as I can see, they all gonna get sick around the same rate. I told them that more than once. They gonna get sick. They're gonna eventually die. Yeah, they're gonna die. They don't even know they're gonna die. But if you want to seek into a long life, eat harbor bland food. You might not actually live long, but you sure gonna seem like. Well, if you want to seek into a happy life, then what you need to do. Eat what you enjoy. Enjoy what you eat. Enjoy the body you were born with. Don't punish it like it's the enemy. So if you want to eat that Big Mac with that bacon on it, then do it. Hell, I did. I called it a Big Mac bacon combo.